In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. A balance sheet is one of the most important financial reports in your business. It shows what you own, what you owe, and the equity that's left over. In other words, it's a snapshot of your company's financial position at a specific point in time. Let's walk through exactly how to pull this report in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Once you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account, start by heading over to the left-hand menu. On that menu, look for the option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This is the main place where QuickBooks stores all of your financial, sales, and management reports. When the Reports page opens, you'll see different sections and maybe some suggested or favorite reports. To find the balance sheet, scroll to the section called Business Overview. In that section, you should see a report simply called Balance Sheet. Click on that to open it. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. At the top of the Reports page, there's a search bar. Click into the search bar and start typing Balance Sheet. QuickBooks will filter the results as you type, and you can then select the balance sheet report from the list. If you've used it before, it may also appear under a Favorites or Recently Run area, which can make it quicker to access next time. Once the balance sheet report is open, look toward the top of the screen for the date range controls. Here, you can choose exactly which period you want to view. Since a balance sheet is a snapshot as of a certain date, you might select something like today, end of last month, end of last year, or a custom date. You can also choose a specific range if you want to compare multiple dates or look at how things have changed over time. After you've selected the date or date range that fits what you need, check that everything looks correct, then click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will use your selection to generate the balance sheet based on your current data. That's all there is to it. You've now run a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online, and you can review, print, or export it as needed for your records or for sharing with your accountant or team.